Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. In this video, we will learn how to set up user access groups. We have already learned how to set up users in the previous video. I have linked that video in the I button. You can click on the I button to watch it. Set up user groups option allows us to grant rights to the whole group instead of granting them to individual users. Let us look at the process. In the main menu, go to User Access and click on Set up User Groups. Start typing the name of user group such as Billing Group, Admin Group, etc. Save the groups. Go to Next tab and click on Refresh. Here, we will assign users to the user groups that we just created. Press spacebar to open the drop-down list and select the appropriate group. So we have assigned manager in the admin group and other to users in the billing group. The third tab is used to grant rights to different user groups. Select the group to which rights are to be given and click on Refresh. Since this is the admin group, so we are granting the right to view reports to this group. Simply right-click on the report and click on Enable to grant access of that report. You can give access of as many reports as you want. Let us also give right to create some vouchers to the admin group. The explanation of all these options has been done in the previous video. Now let us also give some rights to the billing group. So this tab is basically used to give modification, deletion, printing and other rights to the group. You can also copy the rights of one group to another. The User Access Rights tab provides you an even better control over the rights of the users. Select the user group here. In the Bill Series tab, you can see all the sale bill series. But sometimes you do not want the other users to view all of them. So simply select the bill series and click on Add. You can also remove them later on. The bill series that have been added in the box on the right-hand side can be granted or denied access to the selected group. Here we are granting access of these to bill series to the billing group. Similarly, you can control different series and configurations such as sale order, purchase configuration, issue and receipt register. You can also control access to different godowns, branches, journal vouchers, and so on. There are different tabs for each phone. In the next step, we will assign the user access settings to the users. Select the user access group. Then select the users to whom the user access settings are to be assigned. So the billing group access settings have been assigned to demo user and operator. The last step involves setting up My Menu. Select the user group for whom My Menu is to be set up. Right-click on My Menu and click on Add Groups. Define the name of group. Now under that group, we will add menu options. Select the options that you want to add under it in My Menu. So this step is only for the purpose of designing My Menu. rights have already been granted in the previous steps. Similarly, you can add reports in My Reports tab. Let us add My Reports for admin group. We have granted access rights of ledger to admin. But there are 4 configurations of ledger. So you can select particular configuration here. Only the selected configuration will be visible to the user. Even in dues aging analysis, we have only added outstanding report. The selected reports have been added under this group. Similarly, you can make different groups of reports. Currently, we are logged in through Administrator. Let us check the Sale Bill window. You can see that all the bill series are visible to the administrator. Even in Ledger, all 4 configurations are visible to the administrator. Let us now log in through Demo User. Remember that we have assigned billing group to Demo User. This is the My menu that we designed in the last step. The main menu also contains the same options. Let us check the Sale Bill window. You can see that only the assigned bill series are visible to this user. Let us now log in through Manager User. Remember that we have assigned admin group to manager. In the main menu, you can see that only the enabled options are visible to this user. This is the My Reports menu that we had designed in the last step. So the last step is only for the purpose of designing my menu. The main menu will contain the enabled options. In the ledger, you can see that only the selected configuration is visible to the manager. So only those reports will be visible to the user that have been added in my menu. Make sure that this option has been ticked in the global settings. Only then the reports will be filtered for the users according to My Reports. Thank you for watching this video. For more software-related updates, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon.